The internet has changed everything. We can now work from anywhere. A laptop and an internet connection are all you need. This is powerful. You can work from home, a coffee shop, or even a beach. More and more people are choosing this lifestyle. It offers flexibility and freedom. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work and dedication. But it is achievable. Millions of people are doing it every day. You can too. This essay will show you how. This is not about replacing your 9-to-5 job overnight. Start small. Use your free time to explore these ideas. Build your online income gradually. Over time, you can achieve your financial goals. The online world is full of opportunities. Are you ready to explore them? Let's dive in and discover how you can make money online with just your laptop. What skills do you have? Writing, design, programming, these are all in high demand online. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients. Create a profile, showcase your skills, start bidding on projects. It's that simple. Don't undervalue yourself. Charge a fair price for your time. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates. Build a strong portfolio. Positive client reviews are key. They build trust and attract more clients. Freelancing gives you control. You choose your projects and set your hours. It's a great way to gain experience and build your online income. Do you love to write? Or maybe you're a natural in front of the camera. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Share your passion with the world. Monetize your content with Google AdSense. Get paid when people view or click on ads. You can also join affiliate programs. Promote products you love and earn a commission on each sale. Consistency is key. Post new content regularly. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, build a community around your brand. It takes time to grow an audience. Don't get discouraged. Keep creating high-quality content. The rewards are worth it. Section 4. E-commerce. Selling your way to success. Do you have a knack for finding unique products? Consider dropshipping. Create an online store without holding any inventory. Partner with suppliers. List their products on your website. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them. You handle marketing and customer service. If you're crafty, sell your handmade goods on Etsy. It's a global marketplace for unique and creative products. From jewelry to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Take high-quality photos of your products. Write compelling descriptions. Offer excellent customer service. Build a loyal customer base and watch your business grow. Section 5. Taking the leap. Your online journey begins now. Making money online is within your reach. Freelancing, content creation, e-commerce. The opportunities are endless. It all starts with a single step. Choose a path that excites you. Start small, learn as you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, stay persistent, celebrate your wins along the way. The online world is your oyster. Go out there and make your mark.